How to prepare a mix for mastering?
I think the best way to do that is actually to get in touch with the mastering engineer, figure out how he likes to get the files, he or she. Everyone's different, but there's some probably guidelines there. I think it's important to label the files right so the person who gets them knows what the file is, the artist name and the song title, and then if it's a mix, if there's an alternate version, like an instrumental or a TV track or clean version. So I think labeling is very, very important. Also, some engineers like it in a certain volume level, some like it as is, some like to get more information, like if they need to create fades or not, or there's a certain length.